Well, it's actually a funny story how Joe and I met. I have a total Type A personality, so when I planned my trip to Europe, I was meticulous about the details. I had carefully purchased the tickets for all my train trips, making sure they all fit into my European vacation itinerary. I mean, I seriously had everything planned down to the minute. I knew exactly what I wanted to see when I wanted to see it. So when I was finally about to board the train, there he was. So spicy, but so not my type. And when he sat down right next to me, wow, I couldn't believe it. But the next thing I knew, we were deep into a conversation that was about to be cut short because we were about to arrive in Stuttgart, where I was catching a train to Berlin. I was totally disappointed because I knew he had plans to go on to Zurich. But Joe, who is more of a fly-by-the-moment kind of guy, had a RailPass, so he had the flexibility to change his schedule at the last minute. A lot of people don't realize that train tickets are different than RailPasses. Tickets are great for people who are just traveling to a couple of cities, but passes offer a lot of flexibility, especially for people taking more than 3 train trips, and offer a great value. And because Joe was touring Europe for 2 months, all he needed to do was reschedule his seat reservations. So when we reached Stuttgart, he got off the train and continued on with me to Berlin. And that allowed us more time to continue our conversation. Yeah, so it's been a surprising journey ever since. What about you and Max? Didn't you say you met at a friend's party?